Hello, Paul here. Welcome to my channel. I make personality type videos to help people collaborate, make better decisions, and build better teams at work. Today, we are going to look at the ENFJ at work. Please use the comment section for a question you have about personality type or succeeding at work. I will make videos based on the responses. The ESFJ, caring and conscientious colleagues. ESFJs are known as consuls or caregivers. They are outgoing and practical. They thrive on helping others and creating a harmonious work environment. ESFJs bring warmth and structure to their teams. They value tradition and clear expectations. ESFJs excel in roles requiring strong interpersonal skills. They are often drawn to careers in healthcare, education, and social work. Their empathy and practical nature make them excellent team players. ESFJs contribute to a positive and productive atmosphere. Organization is a key strength of ESFJs. They enjoy creating order and structure. ESFJs manage their time well and keep projects on track. Colleagues appreciate their reliability and dedication. ESFJs are also highly people-oriented. They genuinely care about their coworkers' well-being. They are skilled at building relationships and fostering teamwork. Their ability to connect with others makes them excellent communicators. ESFJs are natural helpers. They go the extra mile to support their team. They are quick to offer assistance and are always willing to lend a listening ear. Their dedication and empathy make them valuable assets to any team. While ESFJs have many strengths, they also face certain challenges. They can be sensitive to criticism and take negative feedback personally. It's important for ESFJs to develop strategies for receiving constructive criticism objectively. ESFJs sometimes struggle to delegate tasks. They may feel the need to handle everything themselves to ensure it's done right. Learning to trust others and delegate effectively can prevent ESFJs from becoming overwhelmed. Maintaining healthy boundaries is crucial for ESFJs. Their desire to please others can lead to them taking on too much. Learning to say no and prioritize their own needs is essential for their well-being. Clear and direct communication is essential. Avoid being overly critical or confrontational. Focus on providing specific and actionable feedback. Acknowledge their contributions and express appreciation for their hard work. Respect their need for structure and organization. Provide clear expectations and deadlines. Communicate any changes or updates promptly. Value their input and involve them in decision-making processes. Recognize their sensitivity and offer support when needed. Acknowledge their feelings and demonstrate empathy. Focus on solutions and positive outcomes. Celebrate their successes and recognize their contributions to the team. ESFJs are valuable members of any team. By understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and communication style, you can build strong and productive relationships with them. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with feedback, questions, or suggestions.